I came to America and learned how to drive a truck. I have never driven a truck before until I came to this country. This country will teach you independence. If you don't know independence, this country will teach you independence. I am going straight back home because if I was at home, I would have so many family members to help me do stuff.
So one of my dreams is to move back to Jamaica at a young age, but we can still enjoy life. Not to move back at the typical 60-65 year retirement age. So I follow this couple TikToker, right? And they were living in Canada and they moved to Jamaica. They moved back to Jamaica, young couple, you know, and that is one of my dreams. And persons are gonna come under their account and say that they are lazy. America is not what it cracks up to be. Trust me. America will have your mental health in a whole. Most of us here are suffering from anxiety and depression who are living here in the States. Only difference with America and Jamaica is that there's more job opportunities here. If you want to work a 24-hour shift, you can work a 24-hour shift. You can just work straight so if you want. That's the only difference. But if you don't know what you're doing, you will be living paycheck to paycheck, and that works on your mental health because you're always thinking like, how am I going to pay this bill? Oh my God, another bill is coming, and it's just a bit much. It's like over here not really make the one person live, especially right now. Yes, we are in a recession, especially right now. If you not have a partner or if you not have some family member live with, trust me, I forgot double up on the job, double or triple up. You understand? Enough people over here do doubles, 16-hour days, and it works on your mental health. You don't have any time to spend with family, you don't have no social life. So coming from a culture where it's more lax and I wouldn't say stress free because stress dead here, but it's more lax, and you come here, it will go work for your mental health. And moving from anywhere you're from and to a new place, it takes adjustment. Like no one better than yard. And when I say yard, it's wherever you are originally from. So that is my dream, to move back to Jamaica at a young age. I am happy for the opportunity that was given, and I'm not being ungrateful, but that is my dream and that is my desire.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Natkuna Esther. If you're new here, hi, welcome. If you like my content, please consider subscribing, like, comment, and share, and let me know what you think in the comment section. Now, Jamaican people literally waking up and starting to tell us stories of why they're leaving America.
I am moving straight back home. Look, in a U-Haul van and everything. Listen, I am not the girly that you think that I am. I do want to be a girl. I am a girl. I do want to be feminine, but I'm not allowed to in a country like this with no man. And I'm not just going to take up any man just to say I have a man. Okay?
Let me ask you a question. Why people migrate from them country? I talk about Jamaica. Why people migrate from Jamaica? Me think say people migrate from Jamaica because they want a better life. And mainly a better life really for me, when you say you want things in life, is to not have to worry about where your next meal they come from. To build the house you want to build. Drive the vehicle you want to drive. Have a certain amount of money in the bank account. At that, you know, you can get up and say, I'll travel, I'll take a trip. Whatever you feel for to eat that day, you go eat it because you can't afford it. So if you migrate from Jamaica, go overseas, and you get all of that, you accomplish all of that, and you move back to Jamaica, why people look upon you crazy? Or even if you left and you get all of that and you get deported and you go back to Jamaica, why people look upon you crazy? Wasn't that the purpose of leaving Jamaica in the first place? To accomplish all of that, then you can go back, go relax and put up your foot. You know the feeling when you have to get up and worry about you have to go up and nobody work? You know the feeling you can't get up and you can't get up. It's like, yo, me make whatever I want for breakfast and get up, go walk, go check my friend them down the road and come back and just chill for the day and watch 2 movies. And you know that feeling there when you not have to go and nobody work. So if you accomplish all of that, what the problem? Why you can't migrate back to your country? Why you can't move back to your country? I know everybody want to retire in a people country, you know. And some people, some country have better life to retire. You live better retiring there. And it's easier. Because for retire in America is not easy. So if you move back, what's the problem? Someone who tell me what's the problem, what's the purpose of leaving Jamaica. So why now? You stop looking at people crazy, man. You left for a reason and you get where you want and you go back to your yard. I know everybody want to live a foreign. But there's certain opportunity where will make you accomplish certain things faster and then you go back where you love. People, take on a trip, go home anytime here. Anytime you don't want to move back, go home. Anytime you don't get what you want and you want to go back on the yard and that's the life they here. All when them are going with a bag of things down there, it's a more freer land here.
Interesting. It's giving what I have already seen, literally. And it's not even only Jamaica, ladies and gentlemen. I think be it African people as well, because I see a lot of African people coming back from the States saying, oh, it's not what I expected. Like, expectations versus reality. Yeah. I think a lot of people are coming to a realization that America is not this dreamy world that we were preached to. Like, ladies and gentlemen, I tell you, from a very young age, it has been a dream of mine to go to America because, like, I just knew when you go to America, your life is going to change. You can never suffer. Like, everyone in America is rich. You reach America, like, you touch money. You will see, like, gold, like a beautiful lifestyle. Like, jobs are literally just there lying around. They're waiting for you. Those people have a lot of money to give away to people. Like, most especially, like, sometimes when you go to downtown, let's say in my country, to buy clothes, you'll find like secondhand clothes, the clothes that are used by Americans, like they are sold and it's like, oh, American people wore these clothes. So we kind of like get that ideology that America is this dreamland. But the more I've grown up as well, is the more I've seen more stories, most especially in this world of TikTok, where people just share their feelings and experiences. I have literally gotten to see a lot of stories of how people, they went to America, they didn't like it. Apart from not liking it, they realized that actually America is like a bubble. Like, you work constantly, like it's different. People are depressed. They don't have family, friends. Some people, most especially when they leave, their country's impoverished. They're working so hard. They can't have fun. They're working so hard for their families. And it's a constant competitive world because a lot of people are there. And it's just so tiresome. So for me to see Jamaican people literally giving up on America and saying they just want to go back home because it's better to live in Jamaica, like, and have friends, the environment and everything, like, not your mind to be stimulated 24/7. It's crazy to me. It is very crazy because I'm like, how are they speaking the same language that some people, most especially from the continent, are preaching? And I have met Americans that literally just, they just can't go back to America to live there. Honestly, and seeing so many American people, most especially like recently when I went to Nairobi, I realized a lot of American people are getting out of America. I don't know. I thought it's only like black people, but I feel like even white people are leaving America. Like, somebody tell us what's in the air in America, like that we didn't know, like for us that have never come there. What's going on that people want to leave America so bad?